Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried egg biryani. First, let's prepare the rice. Begin by washing 2 cups of basmati rice until the water is clear, then soak it for 30 minutes. Next, boil the rice with whole spices like cardamom and cloves until it's about 70% cooked. This ensures your biryani has that perfect texture and aromatic foundation. Drain the rice and set it aside. Now, let's get those eggs and onions ready. Fry 6 eggs until they're beautifully golden brown, then remove them from the pan. In the same oil, thinly slice 3 large onions and fry them until they become a deep golden brown and wonderfully crispy. These crispy onions are crucial for both flavor and texture in your biryani. Drain them well and keep them separate. Next, we'll create the heart of our biryani, the masala. In the same pan, sauté ginger garlic paste and green chilies until fragrant. Add chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they're soft and pulpy. Then, stir in your favorite biryani masala powder and a few tablespoons of yogurt. Cook this mixture until the oil separates, forming a rich, aromatic base for your dish. Finally, it's time to layer and cook our biryani. In a heavy-bottomed pot, spread half of the cooked rice. Top this with the prepared masala, fried eggs, and a generous portion of crispy onions. Add the remaining rice, saffron milk, and fresh herbs like mint and cilantro. Cover tightly and cook on a very low heat for 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.